Imagine you're a senior in high school and it's your senior ball and you're coming down these stairs to meet your date. And maybe you'll be as lucky as your mommy and marry her date. Did you know your daddy and mommy were dating in high school? And Eliza, imagine having your first Thanksgiving dinner here. Wouldn't that be fun? Think about making pancakes here for your daddy for his first Father's Day. Wouldn't that be fun? What a pretty kitchen. Can you imagine yourself here? And imagine your first Christmas here. I think we can put the tree over here, and look, what a pretty fireplace. We can hang your stockings, and you can go to bed and wait for Santa to come. And Eliza, look at this big room. Can you imagine when you have your friends over for their first sleepover? Wouldn't it be so fun to do it here? You're going to learn how to play soccer. Come on, let's go do it. You're going to learn how to drive your car, and you're going to take your car out for the first time down this driveway. Meanwhile, your parents are going to be watching, holding their breath until you get back. This is a sidewalk. You're going to learn how to ride your first bike. Now more than ever, our homes mean so much more to us. It may be the place you raise your family. It may be where you work from. It's your safe haven. It's where your memories are made. I am fully equipped with all the right tools to help you find your home. When would you like to get started?